Diego Chavez.
Present, Your Honor. All the way down, second team. All the way down, second team.
All right, so do you want a jury trial, sir, a bench trial? Have you all reached an agreement?
Jury trial, Your Honor.
All right, how long you are expecting this trial to last?
2 days.
All right, and is it criminal trial division or family violence?
Criminal trial division, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date for criminal trial division, 2 days.
Judge, give me just 1 second.
If you want to set it September 8th, Judge Angelini will be here because I'll be serving jury duty.
Levine, where you at?
All right, September 8th.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court, and I appreciate your patience. Derek Michael Wade.
He's on Zoom, Your Honor.
All right. Derek Michael Wade.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Wade, you're on Zoom with the...
Sounds like a surprising outcome for the defense team. It's interesting how those legal details can impact the final result.
Family violence, Your Honor.
All right. So, Rick.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Just glad to be here today.
Okay.
Thank you for seeing me.
All right. You're welcome. Court is calling 2019 CR 9100 State versus, just 1 second. If y'all can just either ask the deputy to move him down to that end. Okay. Court is calling 2019 CR 9100 State versus Joshua D. Hernandez. Could I have parties announced?
Rick Payne from the state of Texas. Scott Hill for Mr. Hernandez.
And are you Joshua Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Joshua D. Hernandez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 9100 for the offense of injury to a child with bodily injury on November 13, 2019 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, we're here this morning on state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 22nd day of April 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Joshua D. Hernandez, did fail to submit drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and a duly authorized agent of the court, and violation condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Understood. You're saying his guilty plea means he's violated his probation, leaving the judge with only the decision of how severe the punishment will be. Is that right?
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Sure. Knowing
that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not, Your Honor. Both states are both the court for our recommendations.
All right, so state you're requesting revocation.
Revocation, adjudication of guilt, and then a prison sentence of the court will appropriate.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we are requesting that you follow probation's recommendation of him to be applying for a drug court. And I've got a witness, his younger sister, if you'd like to hear from her.
Yes.
Julie Lorianne DeLomba.
Sure, on this side, put your back against the corner.
Hello. Hi. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Loriana DeLomba.
All right, you may proceed.
Ma'am, how are you related to the defendant, Mr. Hernandez?
He's my older brother.
And are you two close?
Yes.
Are you his younger sister or older sister?
Younger.
Where does your brother live right now?
He lives at the front door.
At your grandma's?
At my grandmother's. Yes.
Jesus.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
And who else lives with your brother and your grandma?
My mother and our aunt.
And does your mother and grandmother rely on your brother for care?
Very much.
What does he do for them?
My grandmother just had a stroke at the end of last year, so he takes care of her most of the time. Also, my mom, she's has mobility issues, so he helps around the household.
Do they depend on him
Yes,
a lot
a
for
lot.
their care?
He's the only guy that lives there, so he helps out a lot with him.
And does your brother have any children?
Yes,
And how old are they?
10 and 9.
And does he spend a lot of time with his children?
Yes, he sees them every weekend.
Do you think he's a good father?
Very much, yes.
Would does he get along with the kids' mothers?
Yes, they have a healthy relationship, co-parenting.
And the court has a couple of options today. So should the court sentence him to jail or prison, how would that affect his kids?
The mother of his children work, so he watches them quite a lot first. I don't think it was benefit, in my opinion.
And how would that affect your grandmother or mother who rely on them? Would anybody else be able to step up to the plate and take care of them?
Sorry.
What this is your brother's third MTO.
Yes, the weight of legal decisions can be incredibly heavy, especially when it involves individual lives and their families. It's a delicate balance between following procedure and recognizing the human impact. Is there a particular case you're thinking about?
What makes you think that he's going to respond better this time?
The last when I talked to him before, he seemed very serious, and he knows this will affect us. I'm sorry. He plays a big role in our family. So, and we hard if he wasn't there because he helps a lot.
Thank you for your time. You may have some questions.
I'm sorry, nobody captured it.
Loriana Fernandez?
Loriana?
Yes.
And you're the defendant's sister?
Yes.
Have you ever known of your brother to have a problem with drug use?
I have.
And to your knowledge, what drug does he abuse?
Marijuana.
How long have you known of him using marijuana?
To my knowledge, for a while.
So would that be months, years, years,
Years.
years? Okay. You mentioned that he has children, right?
Yes.
He's a good father to them?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen him use drugs around his children?
No, sir.
Have you ever seen him to be in possession of drugs if he's around his children?
No, sir.
So to your knowledge, he smokes marijuana whenever he doesn't have his children around, is that correct?
That's what I'm aware of. Yes.
Have you personally seen him smoke marijuana?
No.
Have you ever seen him to where you feel the kind of influence of marijuana? Has he told you so about
Yes,
marijuana?
sir.
To your knowledge, has he tried to get help for that?
To my knowledge, I know that he goes to the drug classes for this.
Have you seen an improvement in the things marijuana use with going to those classes?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to put a question, John.
Just to follow up, Judge.
Sure.
Did you and your brother recently receive a signal?
Yes, sir.
And was that your other brother?
Yes.
And how did Joshua handle that?
We took it very hard. They lived together. So.
Nothing further, Judge.
All right, thank you so much for giving me insight.
Judge,
Oh, you want to come forward? So,
I represented this young man on the second MGR, and I remember him clearly. I think it's taken him this much of a wake-up call to understand how this is affecting his children. That's what he's most concerned with. He is so motivated right now, Judge, to do whatever you ask him to do. He can't fathom the thought of being locked up and his kids being without their father. And that would be a tragedy due to the fact that he's on deferred right now. And he has a clean record up to this point, as far as convictions go. So he's got a job with his uncle. He's got a job waiting for him, but he does want help, Judge. He's been to treatment before for whatever reason that didn't hold. But I think the drug court will be a little more have a little more influence on him, be a little more structured for him.
all right. So let me explain to you what my problem is. My problem is this is not about the use of marijuana or not the use of marijuana. That violation is his not even showing up for a drug test. And this is his third motion to revoke. And the underlying facts of this case, you know the facts of the case, and part of my conditions, he's not even supposed to be around children unless he's supervised. So, yeah, according to your supervision that I placed upon you, because of the nature of this case, there was to be no unsupervised visitation. Like you could be around your children, but there had to be an adult there.
Well, Judge, he lives with his grandma and mother, and that kids come stay with him at the house. So there is supervision.
All right. And then he's been placed in, I think, ISF before. Then you were before Judge Angelini, and Judge Angelini didn't revoke. And it was, again, the same thing, a violation for number 2. And that was in April of 2024. There's nothing I can do for him. I mean, if you don't even show up, there's nothing I can do. So I'm going to grant the motion. I'm going to revoke, find you guilty. Does anyone wish to speak to punishment?
And just step
Yes.
back in your time.
Sure.
I get out of ISF. 5 months later, my brother takes his life. It devastates me. I watched him destroy himself. I did my best for the 6 months that I could to keep it together. I know that I'm the man of the house, and I don't want to be selfish anymore.
But here's the thing. Did you pick up the phone and call probation?
Yes, ma'am. I speak to Mr. Titus. He's a great probation officer.
No, I mean, did you pick up the phone and call them and say, hey,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not going to be reporting for my drug tests? Or did you just not report?
No, I was going. I just came out dirty. Grandma had a stroke. I came out of ISF. I had to wipe her butt. I had to beat her through a tube.
Mhm.
I got my GED. I got my driver's license. I took my permit.
Mhm.
I got a job. I'm so motivated.
Yeah, I mean, but here's the thing. You've been on probation in this court since 2019, and you've had 3 motions to revoke. At some point, there's nothing I can do. I'm all for when people are placed on probation. I'm all for helping people, but at some point, there's no more I can do.
Your Honor, the second time I went to ISF, they did ask for drug court. They said I went, and I came back, and every time I come back, I'm more behind, and I know how serious.
Judge, there's one more thing. Try drug court. We haven't tried that yet. It does help a lot of.
No, I mean, I don't think there's anything else I can do for him. He doesn't show up. That's the problem. The problem is not he's testing positive for marijuana. And I know people will say with marijuana, it's just marijuana. But part of his conditions is that he's not to smoke marijuana unless he has a prescription for it. But my main thing is if you can't show up, then there's nothing we can do. And he keeps coming back for a violation of condition number 2. And violation for condition number 2 in this case is not his testing positive. It's he doesn't even show up for the test.
Your Honor, I just had appointments with my grandma. Just transportation issue. I knew that I needed to get a driver's license. I paid cash for the impact. I passed the writing exam. I have my driver's test on the 8th of October. and I'm ready to go to drive to work so I can get to the places that I need to go.
I mean, Judge, there's tests. I mean, and he fails several of them.
Yeah.
So it's not like he just refuses to test.
But he keeps not showing up, and he's already been to ISF twice. There's nothing else I can do.
Judge, may I please get help? My sister's going to counseling. My mother's going to counseling. I would like to go to counseling and go to drug court and successfully finish this. I have 1 year left.
It sounds like the situation is pretty serious and that the trust has been broken. When the judge says options are gone, it means there's not much left for the defense to argue. It seems like the focus is now shifting from the initial issue to the overall dishonesty. Was there a specific event or action that led to this point?
I haven't got any more cases. I'm not getting in trouble.
All right, so here's the thing. When people tell me that they don't have any more cases, they didn't pick up any new cases. Here's the thing. Nobody here, your attorney, hasn't picked up any new cases. No. I hear what you're saying, but I want you to, for you to understand me and internalize what I'm saying. It's similar when people have children and they say, I pay my child support. It's like, okay. So it's sort of like, many people in this courtroom don't have any cases. Many people in this courtroom, they're on probation, and you know what they tell me? I haven't picked up any new cases. Well, I hope not. But the problem is, I don't believe there's anything else that I can do for you at this point. Now, I'll retain jurisdiction, but I'm going to find violation condition number 2 true. I'm going to revoke, find you guilty, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no residing with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's a therapeutic community. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
Say will defer to the court.
What are you requesting?
The minimum time, Judge.
All right, I'll sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. And counsel, I'll retain jurisdiction. All right, thank you.
Have you excused me?
Yes. All right, today is plea deadline date.
Yes.
All right, have you all reached an agreement? Are you requesting a trial?
Just, we need a jury trial.
All right, how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
2 days, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date, family violence, 2 days.
There's 2 charges, Judge, and we've got a case 2, so I would say at least 3 days.
I apologize.
All right, 3 days.
October 7th.
All right, Norma, are you able to put this on? What is happening on September 8th?
Do I offer it for September 8th?
All right, September 8th, 15 days.
You just double checking, Judge, but that sounds good. Yeah, that's my judgment.
All right, September 8th. And you say there's 2 cases?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
There's 2 counts.
2 counts. All right. Your plea deadline date has expired. You're set for jury trial on September 8th. What I can tell you is there may be someone who is an older case that is before you, but that's your date. If for some reason you are not in trial on that date, we'll put you as soon as possible. Do you have any questions?
So that's the last one?
Yes, September 8th. We're currently in trial, otherwise I would take you now. All right, thank you. All right, and counsel, has a acknowledgement of discovery already been completed?
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Maybe you excuse me?
Yes.
I also have an Antonio Garcia.
All right, just give me 1 moment. Let me put this in the system. Sandra Gabriella Ramon.
Present on that, Judge.
Yes.
There was a slight issue. It's our first appearance today. I did receive a copy of the indictment, and it looks like she was enhanced to a first degree. I'm not on the first degree wheel,
Okay.
so I didn't know if the court needed
Just
to.
hold on.
Just with her in the next few days, maybe in a couple, 2-3 weeks.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset date on Ramon, 2 weeks, please.
Okay.
It'll be, the 26th.
Is that good for you, counsel?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
Joshua Albright,
We have reached an agreement. Is it possible we could take the plea on Friday?
not Friday. We can do it today. All right, Norma, on that one, they have an agreement. David Dondelon.
What, would it be this morning or this afternoon?
Oh, we can do it now.
Oh, well, we haven't finished the paperwork right now.
All right, yep, we'll be here.
Hey.
Hello. So today is plea deadline date.
And just to let you know, I was conferring with Megan Galloway. She has not had a chance to tell us where she's at just yet. So if we could just have a minute.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, they're not ready.